Okay, so let's draw something kind of crazy. So we're going to look at 2,3-diethyl 4-isopropyl 1,1,3,4,5,6 hexamethyl 2-sec-butyl cyclooctane. So you're going to bring out your substituent table there because there's some new weird stuff on here. We've also never seen a cyclo before. You hear cyclo, you're going to think ring or circle. Alright, so you're going to put octo, right? 8 carbons, you're going to put them in a ring. So you're going to make it look like an octagon, just like a stop sign. Okay, so 8 carbons go in a ring. You get to decide where carbon 1 is. Alright, so I'm going to label this as I see fit. Okay, and I'm going to go here and start carbon 1 just at the top. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 around the ring. Okay, it's arbitrary where you start when you get to make the molecule yourself. Alright, now I'm going to start putting some substituents on. So in blue, I'm going to put the ethyls. So I'm going to go to carbon 2, and I'm going to put an ethyl. Carbon 3, I'm going to place another ethyl group. Okay, I'm going to switch up colors here, and I'm going to put my isopropyl in on carbon 4. So carbon 4 is going to get red isopropyl. Isopropyl looks like the Y. You can find it also on the chart here if you need to still. Alright, we're going to switch. We're going to go to green for all the methyls. Alright, so hexamethyl means there are 6 methyl groups. There's one at carbon number 1. There's another one at carbon number 1. Okay, there's another one coming at carbon 3. Okay, there's another one coming at carbon 4. There's another one coming at carbon 5, and then finally at carbon 6. Alright, now the next up here is this sec-butyl. Alright, I would not expect anyone to be able to remember sec-butyl. Alright, this is why you would have a chart for something like this, okay? So I'm going to go over to my chart, and I'm going to recognize, I'm going to look at sec-butyl, and I'm going to find, what is this? So that's this guy right here. Basically we have, it's sort of like a, it's kind of like isopropyl, where the main chain attaches kind of in the middle of the branch here. So I'm going to make my sec-butyl branch look exactly as it does in my chart. Alright, so now I've covered all of my branches. I've got my main chain. All I have to do now is actually go back and place all the hydrogens. Alright, so make sure every carbon has 4 bonds accounted for by filling them up with hydrogens where they need them. Right, I can translate this into a very messy but valid nonetheless line structure. So we'll draw an octagon. Right, carbon 1, put 2 methyl groups. Carbon 2 gets an ethyl. Then the sec-butyl. Carbon 3 is going to get a methyl and an ethyl. Carbon 4 will get a methyl and an isopropyl. Carbon 5 and 6 will both get methyl groups, and there we are. Nothing to it. Okay, good luck with the practice today.